Transform your collaborative chaos into streamlined success by mastering Microsoft Teams group creation. Let's dive right into creating your very own group, or as we call it in Teams, a team first. Look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of your current teams. At the bottom of this list, you'll find a button that says Join or Create a Team. Click on that. Now you're presented with a couple of options. Since we want to build a new space for collaboration, we're going to click on Create Team. Microsoft Teams offers different team types based on your needs. For most collaborations, Standard is the way to go, as it offers a good balance of features. Select from scratch. Next, decide on your team's privacy. A public team means anyone in your organization can join and see its content without an invitation. A private team requires an invitation, giving you more control over who has access. For this tutorial, let's choose private. Now for the crucial part, naming your team. Be descriptive. This will help everyone identify its purpose. You can also add a brief description to give more context. Once you've filled in these details, click Create. And there you have it. Your new team is created. The next step is populating it with the right people. You'll see a prompt to add members. Simply type the names or email addresses of the individuals you want to invite and hit Add. Once you've added your members, you can assign them roles such as member or owner, which determines their level of permissions within the team. Owners have more control over team settings and member management. Close this window when you're done. You've successfully created a team, added members, and the foundation for enhanced collaboration is laid. You can further customize your team by going to the team name, clicking the ellipsis for more options, and selecting Manage Team. Here, you can explore various settings related to channels, permissions, apps, and more, tailoring the team to your specific project or group's workflow. With your team established, you're ready to centralize conversations, share files, and boost your team's productivity.